Hello guys, welcome to my channel once again, and today I'm gonna unpack the ryze Tello drone. It's a boost combo pack which comes with extra batteries and other stuff. Also, in the ending of this video I'm gonna show you the video quality we can get from the tiny 5 megapixel camera of this drone. On top of the box it says that you will gonna get 13 minutes flight time, 5 MP photo and 720p video, electronic image stabilization, intelligent flight modes, vision positioning system. It's easy to use and it's programmable with mobile apps. In this box you will get a drone, some batteries, propellers, the charger, USB cable, and it's powered by DJI. So first thing first, let's see what we get in this. Here comes the drone, and we have another orange color box of accessories, and that's it. Here we have the extra propellers and this cute little tiny drone. On the front side we have 5 megapixel camera. Below we have sensors which will help in landing. There is a power button on the right side, a battery compartment on the back side, and the charging input on the left hand side of the drone. In the accessories box we will get the batteries charger. You can charge 3 batteries together. And on the other side of the box we will get 3 batteries, and we have a micro USB cable for charging. So that's everything we can get in ryze boost combo pack. Also, I have purchased the Pgytech bag for Tello drone. Let me show you how it's look like from inside. Alright, so we will get DJI stickers, and there is a pack of silica gel. Don't eat this. And let me show you how you can put your drone in this. Okay, so as you can see it will fit perfectly in the box. Also we have compartments for the batteries, the cable and charger. Everything you can put here, like your power bank. And here you can keep your batteries, the batteries charger. Moreover, I have also purchased the Wi-Fi extender, which is from the brand Mi, and it will help in extending the Wi-Fi range of the drone, and we will get the video without lagging. And now I'm gonna show you the raw video made by DJI Tello, and I'm definitely gonna give this thumbs up, as no other drone in this price range can compete Tello drone.